31. The value of a 2-digit number n is 27 less than the number formed when both the digits are reversed. So it is a 2-digit number. Which number is more? Original number is bigger than the number obtained by interchanging the digits, or the vice versa? Come on. A 2-digit number is 27 less. So original number is less than number obtained by interchanging the digits only. Come on. Then your tens place is definitely less than 5 only. Come on, less than or equal to 5. Am I right? Come on. Right. So how many such options are there? Matladru. Only one. Fifth option, final answer. Are you getting my point? Yes. Next. Given A is equal to approximately 60, B is equal to 3A, that is 180, and BC ratio 6:1. 6 parts is 180, then 1 part 30. So ABC values are there, 60, 180 and 30. What will be the approximate sum of B and C? 180 plus 30, come on. 210, fourth option. Wrong number series. And the next, 38. Data regarding number of mugs sold by 5 different shops in 4 days. So few values are missing. We'll see when it is required. Chalo, come on. The respective ratio between total number of mugs sold by shop E on Monday, Thursday together and number of mugs sold by shop B on Monday is 4:3. B on Monday, how much we have? 39. Which in terms of parts is 3 parts? Then 1 part is equal to 13. 4 parts is equal to 13. 4 times 52. Right. Now that 52 is mugs sold by shop E on Monday and Thursday. Monday and Thursday together, that must be equal to 52. Thursday already we have 25. If you subtract that, you get 27, which is on Monday only. Next. The number of mugs sold by shop B on Wednesday was 19 more than total number of mugs sold by D on Monday and Tuesday together. D on Monday and Tuesday together. Right. B on Wednesday. B on Wednesday is 75. This value is 19 more. Then 16 plus X must be equal to 75 minus 19 only, which is equal to 56. Then X is equal to minus 16. Answer 40. Fourth option. If the average number of mugs sold by shop A on all given days was 52. For how many days we were given data? If average is 52, sum is equal to 208 only. 208. How many mugs were sold on Thursday? Right. So Thursday, in the sense, except Thursday, remaining 3 values are there. Last digit verification, 2 plus 0 plus 1 ends with 3 only. Then if we subtract it from 208, answer must end with 5 only. How many are there? Only 1. Number of mugs sold by shop C on Friday was 23 more than total number of mugs sold by shop C, D together on Thursday, C and D together, how much we have? 43. And C on Friday is 23 more, they said, which is equal to 66. Fourth option. Number of mugs sold by shop C on Wednesday. C on Wednesday, 22. Decreased by what percent as compared to previous day? Previous day it was 40. It becomes 22, decreased by 18 from 40 percentage into 100. Correct? What is 50%? And numerator is how much less? Which is 5% less? Answer 45%. Right. Come on. Right. Divided by 2 power x goes to the other side and 3 comes to left hand side. That becomes 256. And this must be written as 2 to the power of some number. Correct? What is 2 power 10? Half of that? 512, that is 2 power 9 only. Again half of 512, that is 2 to the power of 8. Clear? Matladru. Next, 53 and a half times. Can I take 5 times of 35? I am removing 0 and then decimal. 5 times of 35, 175. 32 and a half times. 3 times of 25, 75, which is equal to 100. 100 is which number square? 10 square, second option. 2 power 5 divided by 2 cube, that is 2 square only, which is 4. 4 goes to right hand side, becomes minus 4, that is equal to 16. 16 is equal to 4 to the power of which number? 2. Second option answer. 17 power 6, every number is 17 something, correct? Exponent, these two are multiplication, so 10 divided by minus, this is 5. Answer 17 to the power of 5. Option 4. Next, 23 minus 31, minus 8. Minus of minus, plus. Minus 8 goes to the other side, becomes plus 8. Answer 54. Right, 57 comes to left hand side only. 9 cube, 729. 13 square, 169. And from this we have to subtract 57, right? From 169 if you subtract 57, that is equal to 12 only, which is equal to 841 is which number square? 29 square. Divided by entire number goes to right hand side, that is equal to 990. Come on. 999 minus x is equal to 990, then x is equal to 999 minus 990. Answer second option. 11 by 2 into under root of 16, 4. Answer must be 11 multiple, third option. Next, minus x goes to left hand side and left hand side number goes to right hand side. 8 square, 188 divided by 4, half and half. Half is 94, again half is 47. Answer 17. Last digit verification. Come on. Next, 5 square, positive number, 4 square. So far it is 41 only. Negative numbers 9 and 4, total. Now answer is 28. Right, minus 29 goes to left hand side, becomes plus 29 only. Now 149 4 times. Let's make it 150. 150 4 times 600. We have to subtract 4, right? Plus 29 minus 4, that is plus 25. Am I right? 625 is which number square? 25 square. Or you can go for last digit verification also. 4 into 9 ends with 6. Minus 29 goes to the other side, ends with 9. Which number square ends with 5? First option. How much is this number? 22. How much is this number? 22. Plus 22, 22. Divided by 5 goes to the other side. That becomes 22 5 times only. Answer, sorry, 2 into 22 into 5. Correct? Am I ardhamainda? That is 220 only. Next, otherwise you can go for 11 multiplication. This fellow is 11 multiple, this fellow is 11 multiple, sum 11 multiple, multiplication also 11 multiple. Ento na pichi gani. Come on. Q1 and Q2. An interest of 2,880 is earned when a certain sum is invested for 3 years in scheme A offering simple interest. So at 16% per annum, interest for 3 years is 48% only. 2880 is 48%. 1% is divided by 48. Correct? The same sum was invested for 6 years in scheme B offering simple interest at 11% per annum. Q1 is 3780, number is given. Q2 interest earned from scheme B. Interest earned from scheme B at 11% per annum, 6 years simple. 66%. Clear? 6 11 times, 6 8 times, 8 threes, 8 6 times and then is 0. 360 11 times, 10 times plus 1 time, 3600 plus 360, 3960. Q1 3780, Q2 3960, Q1 less than Q2. Followed. నెక్స్ట్ ఒకసారి టైం చూసుకోండి, ఎంత అయింది? స్టార్ట్ చేసి ఎంత అయింది? స్టార్ట్ చేసి ఎంత టైం అయింది? కమాన్, ఎన్ని క్వశ్చన్లు అయిపోయినాయి? ఎన్ని అయిపోయినాయి? కమాన్, ఇది నేను చెప్పటానికి, మీ పాయింట్ అర్థమైందా? ఇది నేను చెప్పటానికి పట్టిన టైం, చేయటానికి వేరే టైం అనుకుంటా కదా. మాట్లాడరు. చెప్పటానికి ఎక్కువ టైం పట్టుద్దా, చేయటానికి ఎక్కువ టైం పట్టుద్దా? కమాన్. The loss incurred on selling item A is 50% of the discount offered on selling item A. The respective ratio between item A market price and cost price was 5:4 and it was sold 2000. Okay, just remember the data. Cost price of item A and Q2 is already given as 1500. Okay, right. It is about just a comparison, right? Come on, you need to verify whether Q1 is more than 1500 or less than 1500 or equal to 1500. Am I right? According to the data, what is made? Profit made or loss made? Come on, what is selling price? That is given in the last line, 2000. That means cost price must be definitely more than 2000 or less than 2000. More than 2000. మీ పాడే మీరు లెస్ అంటున్నారు, ఎవరు అక్కడక్కడ 2000 కమ్మినప్పుడు లాస్ వచ్చింది అని అంటున్నారు. అంటే మీరు కొన్నది 2000 కంటే ఎక్కువ తక్కువ? ఎక్కువ. సో కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్ ఈజ్ మోర్ దెన్ 2000. దట్ మీన్స్ Q1 ఈజ్ మోర్ దెన్ Q2. ఆన్సర్ కంక్లూడెడ్. Got the point? In place of 1500, if you have 2500, then you need to think. అర్థమైందా? రైట్. నెక్స్ట్ 57. Number of students 1800. Painting, singing, dancing, pottery and then karate. Okay. What is the number of students opting dancing? What is 1% value? So whatever percentage you calculate, answer must be 9 multiple. First option, yes or no? Second, third, multiple options are there, so we have to calculate. Dancing, what percentage is that? 36 into what is 1%? 18. 6 into 8? Answer must end with? How many options are there? 2 options are 9 multiples only. Now let's see, this is nearby 20 times only. 36 20 times is 720. Answer must be close to 720 only. Now look at 4th and 5th. Which is right answer? 5th option final. Clear? Next. The number of students opting for pottery forms what percent of number of students opting for singing? Pottery 12, singing 25, percentage into 12, 4 times 12 into 4, 48, over. Come on. Total number of students opting for painting and singing together forms what percent of students opting for dancing? Okay. Painting and singing. Painting, singing together 39 is what percent of dancing? Dancing is 36, percentage into 100 only. Numerator is more than the denominator, so definitely answer must be more than 100. How many options are there? How many fellows are there? 3 are there. Right. Now let's see. Numerator is how much more than denominator? What is 10% of denominator? 3.6. Do we have to add 3.6? More or less? Then answer must be less than 100 plus 10. That is less than 110% only. You are sure that answer is more than 100? But less than 110. How many are there? 5th option. Next. Radius of a semicircle of area 32 pi. Semicircle in the sense half circle only. What is full circle area? Pi r square. half circle in the sense pi r square by 2, which is equal to 32 pi only. Pi gets cancelled. R square r, and that is equals to side of the square only, perimeter of the square, that is 4a, which is 4 times of 8, 32, second option. A can complete a given task in 15 days, B takes 20% less time. See, they may compare their efficiencies or time. Here, you are given comparison between their timings directly. A can complete the work in 15 days, B takes 20% less time. 20% of 15, 3 days less in the sense 12 days. B started working alone for 2 days and was joined by A till the completion of task. In approximately how many days was the entire task was completed? So we'll go for units method. What is LCM for 15 and 12? 60. A can do 4 units. B can do 5 units. So first 2 days, who worked? B. B can complete 10 units of work only. Remaining, who will do 50 units? Both A and B. Both A, B together can do 9 units only. Then to complete 50 units, that is 50 by 9, which is 5 by 9 days. Then time to complete the total work is 2 5 by 9, which is 7 5 by 9, approximately 8. Fourth option. You are asked to calculate approximate time. If it is exact, 7 5 by 9, final. Over. AB together started a business with investments 2,500 and 5,000 respectively. That means investments are in the ratio 1:2. X months after the start of the business, A left. So A is there in the business for X months. Next, if A's share of total profit approximately 27%, total annual profit, what was the approximate value of X? Okay. Is there any information regarding B's time period? That means B is there for total time period only. Profit of A by profit of B. If A gets 27, B gets remaining 73 only. 2 into 12, how much is that? 20. 24, approximately 3 times is 72. 27 by 3, that is equal to 9. X is equal to 9. Use the word approximate. Approximate అని ఇచ్చారు కాబట్టి క్యాన్సిలేషన్లో ఎక్కడో ఒక దగ్గర అప్రాక్సిమేట్ వాడుతున్నాను నేను. ఓకేనా? నెక్స్ట్, a boat takes 16 hours to cover 240 kilometers downstream. Downstream, m plus s. 240 by 16, that is equal to 15 km per hour. If the stream speed is 1/12 of boats downstream, this is very important. So downstream speed is equal to 12 parts only. Come on. Then S is equal to 1/12. Come on. 1 part. Then what is M value? Downstream, M plus S is equal to 12 parts. Out of 12 parts, M plus S we have. S is equal to 1. Then M is equal to, come on, 11 parts. 14 ఎట్లయితది మీ పాడే. కండిషన్ సరిగా చదవండి ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియం గ్రాడ్యుయేట్స్. ది స్ట్రీమ్ స్పీడ్ ఈజ్ 1/12 ఆఫ్ boats. So you must start downstream speed as 12 parts only. So M plus S is equal to 12 parts. Is that clear? Then stream speed in the sense S only, which is equal to 1 part. M plus S is 12 parts, out of which S is equal to 1 part. Then M is equal to 11 parts. What is the distance what distance can the boat cover upstream in 4 hours? Upstream speed, M minus S. M minus S, 11 minus 1, 10 parts. Is that clear? Now 12 parts is equal to 15 only. Then 1 part is equal to 15 divided by 12. Upstream speed is equal to 10 parts, that is into 10. This calculation will give you upstream speed. We want to calculate distance covered in 4 hours into 4, 4 3 times, 150 by 3, 50 kilometers. Are you okay? ఇది కూడా చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. Let me tell you that also. If you read this carefully, stream speed is equal to one part only. Downstream speed is equal to, come on, what is difference between downstream and upstream? Difference between downstream and upstream? 2. Yes, when you know downstream, and from that if you want to get upstream, do we have to add 2s or subtract 2s? Subtract 2s. How much is s? 1 part. 2s? 2 parts. Subtract 2 parts from 12 parts. That is equal to 10 parts. Downstream speed is equal to 240 divided by 16. How much is that? 15 km per hour. In terms of number of parts, 12 parts. Then 1 part is equal to this much. Upstream speed is equal to 10 parts into 10. That gives you upstream speed. We want to calculate distance covered in 4 hours into 4. Answer 50. Done. Single line answer. Okay na? Next. When opened together, inlets A and B can fill empty tank completely in approximately 7 hours. If inlet A alone can fill that empty tank in 15 hours, approximately what time will inlet B take to completely fill the empty tank? Okay. Right. Now we have AB, A, and your question is about B. AB together can fill the tank in 7 hours. A alone can fill in 15 hours. And our question is about B. LCM for 7 and 15. 105. Co-prime numbers, product. 7 into 15. 105. AB together can do 15 units. A alone can do 7 units. Then B must do 8 units, right? Then only sum of A and B will be equal to 15. Time taken by B to complete the total work, which is equal to divided by 8. 8 once 25 we have 3, 13 something. Am I right? As your question is about approximately, I can leave like this. 13 something you have. Fifth option. Okay. An interest of approximately 1500 was earned when a certain sum was invested for 2 years in scheme A offering compound interest at 10% per annum. What would have been the approximate interest earned if the same sum is invested for 5 years in scheme B offering simple interest at 16%? In scheme A, at the rate of 10% per annum, compound interest for 2 years, 21% only. How much interest was there? 1500 is equal to 21%. 1% is equal to divided by 21. Now we need to calculate what would have been the approximate interest earned. Interest only. 5 years, simple interest at 16% per annum. How much interest you will get? Come on. 80%. Okay. 15 into 8. 120. How many more zeros we have to write? 3 divided by 21. 21, 6 times is 126, right? Do we have 126? Can you write 6 over there? That means it must be 5 only. Answer must start with 5 something. How many options are there? Only one final answer. Clear? If multiple options are there, probably we need to solve and get the value. Okay na? Right. ఒకసారి మళ్ళీ 31st రండమ్మా. ఇక్కడ నేను ఒక బ్యూటిఫుల్ లాజిక్ చెప్పా, అది మీకు అర్థం కాల. ఆన్సర్ 2 డిజిట్ నెంబర్ మీద ఉంది. ఇది ఎక్స్ వై అని అన్నారు. ఇంటర్చేంజ్ చేస్తే మనకి వైఎక్స్ వస్తుంది. A 2 digit number is 27 less than the number formed. That means xy is less than yx only. Come on. So from this what I was telling you is Y value is more than X value? Come on. That means this number must be definitely less than or equal to 5, which is 50%. First 10 digits ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి? సరే, xy, when you interchange it, you'll get yx. Difference of original two-digit number and number obtained by interchanging the digits must be always 9 multiple. 9 multiple of difference of digits. If you know this point, how much is difference between original two-digit number and number obtained by interchanging the digits? 20. 27 is 9 multiple only. 9 how many times? That means x minus y must be, x minus y must be, can it be first option? Come on, difference ఎంత ఉండాలమ్మా? ఉందా? Can it be second option? Can it be third option? Two digit number అన్నారు, అది అయితే చచ్చినా కాదు. Can it be fourth option? Can it be fifth option? Two options are there. Now use the first condition itself. What is more, two digit number more or interchanged number is more? Interchanged number is more. If the original number is 85, when you interchange you get 58, right? So original number is more than the number obtained by interchanging the digits, correct? So can this be your answer? Final answer 58. అర్థమైందా? Now sum of original two digit number, number obtained by interchanging the digits must be always 11 multiple. 11 multiple of sum of digits. 11 multiple of sum of digits. ఈ పాయింట్ మీకు బాగా గుర్తుండాలి. ప్రూఫ్ చూపిస్తా. టూ డిజిట్ నంబర్ ఎక్స్ వై అని అంటే y అనేది యూనిట్స్ ప్లేస్ అనేనా? x టెన్స్ ప్లేస్ అంటే ఈ నంబర్ని మనం 10x ప్లస్ y అని రాయచ్చా? ఇంటర్చేంజ్ చేసినప్పుడు ఏమొస్తుంది? yx అంటే ఇది 10y ప్లస్ x, అంతేనా? ఇప్పుడు డిఫరెన్స్ తీసుకోండి అమ్మా ఒకసారి. 10x మైనస్ x ఎంత? 9x. y మైనస్ 10y మైనస్ 9y. 9 కామన్ ఉంది కదా, కామన్ తీస్తే x మైనస్, అది నేను చెప్పిన కంక్లూజన్ ఇక్కడ. ఓకేనా? అదే సమ్ తీసుకోండి. 10x ప్లస్ x, y ప్లస్ 10y, ఏం కామన్ ఉంది? 11 మల్టిపుల్ ఆఫ్ x ప్లస్ y. ఇది గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి, ఎందుకంటే ఫ్రీక్వెంట్గా అడుగుతారు ఈ క్వశ్చన్స్ని. ఒరిజినల్ టూ డిజిట్ నంబర్, నంబర్ అబ్టైన్డ్ బై ఇంటర్చేంజింగ్ ద డిజిట్స్, ఇలా. ఓకేనా? క్లియర్? ఇంకా ఏమైనా కావాలి ఇందులో? ఇవాళ క్లాస్లో ఏమన్నా టిపికల్ అనిపించిందా ఏమన్నా ఎక్కడన్నా? ఫోర్ మల్టిపుల్స్ ఉన్నాయి. all are over. Yes.